I think just by sharing your story, that's very important. Now, what you mentioned kanina na, pag nakita ka nila na, oh, I'm like that. We're the same, di ba? Parang, it makes it easier for other people to, you know, come out or tell others your story. Did you have to have a whole coming out moment with your family? Or they just understood from the very beginning?
You know what? I thought I did. But I didn't. My mom said, oh, alam ko na, alam ko. I came out of my mother's womb with jazz hands. But at the end of the day, I did write them a letter. I did tell them that I was gay. And it was so cute because they said, they just looked at me. Oh, and then? I remember it was, I was third year high school in a Catholic retreat. Ano yung palangka letters?
Yes,
I was
yes.
bawling out, telling them I'm gay. And when my mom read it, and she goes like nonchalantly, I know.
Did you feel like a weight was lifted off of you somehow?
Yes, of course. I needed that cathartic moment because everybody should come out on their own terms, and they have that capacity. Because it's sad that there are still a lot of people who are in the closet. And take your time, but do come out when you feel ready. Because the light is so much nicer than the darkness.
And you've also actively participated in you know, several events, campaigns, and you're also part of Drag Race Philippines.
Yes, I'm very proud of that.
Yeah, my daughter and I watched the show. We love the show.
You know, that really changed so much lives. Even the perception of drag queens, not only in the Philippines, but in the world, that it's an art form. It's now considered an actual source of income. Now, they can really sort of like stand on their ground and say, because of Drag Race, maayos ang buhay ng pamilya ko. Masarap na yung kinakain namin. Meron na akong kotse. Meron na kaming apartment. So can you imagine that kind of change that Drag Race Philippines has done for that particular community? That sense of respect, that sense of pride, that I'm able to take care of my family because of the art that I do, which originally kinakahiya. So in many ways, it magnified what I felt like with my own father, making sure that I will be able to take care of myself through that creative field. Because people like us, wala pa naman kasi silang idea na pwede mangyari yun eh. Because as I said, we change now from that mindset perhaps of my father saying, gusto mo talaga maging sastre? Now, it's a reverse. I will support you to become a sastre. So the parents are changing the kind of mindset. And this particular program will change the mindset of people who are watching. Because hindi nakakahiya ang pagiging drag queen, hindi nakakahiya ang pagiging fashion designer, hindi nakakahiya maging bakla.